Today economics topic is what is the circular flow of money income? How to circulate that money income? So that's money income circulated between households and farms. Households is nothing but one family, and farms is nothing but industries. So that money flowing between the households and farms. First, households use the factors of production to the farms. Factors of production means land, labor, capital, organizer for the doing the production purpose, and farm means that industries gives the some money income to the households as a money income like that rent, wages, interest, profit. So first households gives to the factors of production to the farms, and that farms gives to the money income to the households money income like that rent, wages, interest, profit. Again, these household peoples means family members, they make that money expenditure on farm means for the purchasing the different goods purpose, that make that people make that money expenditure on the farms. Again, that farms gives the some goods and services to the households. So actually above this area is called as a goods market. Goods market below this area is called as a market equilibrium. This is called as a circular flow of money income.